how to add pictures in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Canva right here. And then once we open Canva, let's create a design. Now, just choose what size you're going to create. So let's say for example that we're going to create a portrait right here. So let's click that. And then after that, you will be redirected in this page. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do to add an image in Canva is to go on the left screen and then click Uploads. Once you do that, click Upload Files right here. And then just choose the image that you want to upload. Once you do that, the picture will now be uploaded to Canva. And then once you do that, all you have to do is to click it. And then as you can see, we now have added a picture in Canva. So that is basically it. That is how to add a picture in Canva.